Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to block someone on TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you're using Android, don't worry because the process is still the same. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app. And then here, there are two ways to do this. So the first way is you need to search for the user that you blocked. And then go to their profile. And then here you can just click unblock. And then the second way is to click on your profile on the lower right corner of your screen. And then click on these three little lines on the upper right corner of your screen. And then click Settings and Privacy. And then here you want to click Privacy. And then scroll down until you see Blocked Accounts. So here you just want to click Unblock. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.